Good afternoon students, how are you all? This is grade 7 your English literature book, and today students we are going to do the exercises of this chapter. So as you have completed the reading and understanding of this chapter, so let's open the exercises. So what you have to do in your notebook is that you have to write down the chapter number 6, okay, and you have to write down the name of the chapter, benefits of laughter. After that students, you have to write down the word meanings which all are given at the bottom of the pages, okay, from page number 59, like diagnosed, deterred, connective tissue disease, optimist. And on the next page there are few given on page number 60 and page number 61, like contagious, work in tandem, and social bond. So these word meanings you have to write down, and after these word meanings you have to come to exercise A, state whether the following sentences are true or false. Here you'll have to see the sentences are true or false. So first one is, an American political journalist Norman Cousins was diagnosed with a terminal illness. That is true. Normal Cousins took medicine and underwent a life-saving surgery. That is false. He did not take any kind of surgery because he found his own way of getting cured. Okay, next is, An Anatomy of an Illness is a book written by Norman Cousins. That is true. A good laughter improves our social skills. That is also true. Laughter is not a natural part of our life. We need to learn it in a class. That is totally false, because laughter is a natural part of our life. When we see something funny, so we definitely start feeling laughing, okay, when we start smiling or laughing like this. So we don't need to learn laughing, because a little child, an infant child does not learn laughing, okay. He or she laughs by its own. Now let's see the question answers. Students, exercise B, page number 62. Read these lines from the text and answer the question with reference to the contents. So first one is, he mulled over the probability that if illness can be caused by negativity, maybe wellness could be created by positivity. The first question is, who mulled over this thought? So the answer is Norman Cousins mulled over this thought. Next is, what did he mean by positivity? So by positivity, he meant the activities that cause happiness, such as laughter. The third one is, how did he plan to treat his own illness? So the answer is, he planned to treat his own illness by laughing as much as he could, by funny movies and stories. He even asked his friends to call him whenever they said, heard, or did something funny. So this is how he planned to treat his own illness. The last question is, how did his plan help him to get over the illness and live another 26 years? So as you can see students, I have made L over here. This is a long answer type question, okay. So his plan helped him to get over the illness and lived another 26 years, as he made the joyous discovery that 10 minutes of genuine belly laughter had an anesthetic effect, which would give him at least 2 hours of pain-free sleep. Pain-free means without pain. He found out that laughter has a curative effect on the body, mind, and emotion. Next is, actually, laughter is a psychological response to humor. So the question is, how do the muscles of a human body respond to humor? So the muscles of a human body respond to humor in form of mild exercise. Do we always produce a sound when we laugh? So the answer is, we do not always produce a sound when we laugh. So what are the changes that occur in our body when we laugh? So the answer is, the changes that occur in our body when we laugh are this from here. From here till here we have copied the question, okay, that our facial muscles move and the brain pressures us to conduct the needed gestures. The fourth one is, the D1 is, what happens in extreme circumstances of laughing aloud? So the extreme circumstances of laughing aloud is, tears roll down and the face becomes red or moist. The third part is, students, this can be remedied by finding out ways to trigger laughter. So the question A is, what can be remedied? So the inability of some people to laugh easily can be remedied, or you can say remedied. Why does this need a remedy? So, this needs a remedy because laughter keeps a person healthy and brings a positive change into his or her life. The third question is name two remedies for these. So, the two remedies are watching funny films and playing with the pet are two remedies for this. So, the last question of this chapter is question number D. Which remedy are you familiar with? So, the answer is encourage them to come up with their own point of view. So this is how you can complete your work, student. Let me show you how I have written the answers. I have written the answers like this, okay, and you also have to do the work with like this, okay, but you have to write down the questions along with the answers. आपको पहले question लिखने हैं, then answers लिखना है. I have just answered I have just written the answers, okay. So आपको इसमें questions भी लिखने हैं और इसके नीचे you will write down answers. So question will be written from the black pen and the answer will be written from the blue pen, okay. So you can complete your work like this and you can either pause the video and then you can write down your answer. So I have written here like this. So students, complete your work. Your chapter has been completed. Learn it, understand it, remember this chapter, and have a nice day.